What's going on, guys? It's C-Snack coming at you with another snack review. And today we're going to be tasting pavement. Let's do it. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I skated every day this week. I just work as well, and I got to figure out, maybe I'll upload shorter videos during the week or something. But I'm having a blast doing this. On Monday, I went kayaking with my dad, and I shot a little bit of footage, like 30 seconds, so I'm going to throw that at the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Cool.
Ripple.